The next letter is G. Letter G, and the sound of the letter G is G. We will learn to write big and the small. Letter G. The letter G begins like the C, in and out. That is, you go from here, right, just like the C. From in, you come out, that is G. Like this, in, that is letter G. And the small g is like A, go up and come down. Like A, and you come like this. So G is like A, go up but come down. G. And the sound of the G is G. When you open a tap in the wash basin, listen to the sound. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with the gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. You open the tap, listen to the sound of the water. And that is the sound of letter G. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with the gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. And the words are, give me some words. Yes, gate. Yes, gum. Very good. Gum. Girl. Yes, girl. Glass. Glass. Grapes. You love to eat grapes? Grapes. And one more word. Giraffe. Giraffe. Now, the sound of letter G, big G, small g is G. And the words are gate, gum, girl, glass, grapes, giraffe. G. The sound is G, G, G. Remember. We go on to another beautiful, interesting letter, H. Lovely letter, isn't it? Two lines from the top to bottom, and then you have a middle line. Let's do that again. Like this. That's called letter H. And small letter on the top, and then you have a curve right at the bottom. Like this and like this. H. The sound of the letter H is when you hop, run about, you get tired. What do you say? That's the sound of H. And the song goes like this. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. By the time you are tired, so you make the that's a sound of H. The letter H sound. So the words are, give me some words. Hop, hat, hot, hen, Yes, good. House. Hand. Hut. Alright. But letter H, the sound is h, and we are hot, ha, hop, hat, hot, hen, house, hand, and hut. The sound of letter H is h. We have a very interesting letter. You write one thing, the sound is another. Okay, and that's what we are going to do. Letter I. The letter I, the big letter I, we write it up to down, top like this. So you have this on the top, and this. That is like this and this and this. The letter I. And the small letter I is just this. That's all I. This from here till here, one single thing. The letter I, why it is different is, I we say, but the sound is E. Actually, you say I, the letter, the sound is E. Listen to the song. There's a little mouse and his name is Inky. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. E. Inky is wet. E. The sound of I is E. Listen carefully. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. Ink is spread all over the desk. E. Inky is wet. The sound of I is E. Okay? Now, when we say ice, you like ice? Yeah, cold ice. E. The sound is I. I-N-K, ink you say, but the sound is E. E. You say I-E. So, ink, then you have insect, E. In, E. Iron, E. Letter I sounds E. E. Remember to say ice, ink, insect, ink, iron, ink pot, igloo, E. Remember E for letter I, E.